Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 69 darts charger Daytona, and this is from Fast and the Furious movie 6, and this is number 6 in this series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So as you know, I bought this for 249 rupees, and which is pretty pricey for a mainline car. Again, I don't know about other countries how the pricing is now from this particular year. So I want you guys, update me on that one. Okay. So the paint job looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. It has some kind of detailing at the bottom, which looks really nice. Again, they just painted out the headlights and tail lights as well. Hope you guys can see the interior at least a little bit here. So the windows are tinted, so it's a bit difficult for me to show you guys. This exhaust is painted on both sides. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, this rolls really smooth and nice. It is not the fastest, but it rolls really smooth. And the spoiler is made of metal. So thanks for watching this video, guys. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so that would help me to put out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.